Yeah, got a surprise for y'all today. Oh, let's make it right. Let's get it right. All right, there we go. I had to go to the Chicken Shack. Feel me? Because I've been thinking about Chicken Shack all week, man. It's Wednesday. I didn't even get drunk last night. What did I do? I chilled out last night. I was thinking about the Chicken Shack all fucking day and last night. So I had to stop. When you go to the Chicken Shack, whatever you getting, the first thing you gotta get a piece of that chicken. You gotta get a piece of that chicken. I put hot sauce on the bag. I never put nothing in the bag. Always gotta, fuck it. You always gotta get a piece of that chicken. This New York Chicken Shack and Elizabeth on 1 and 9. I fucks with them, man. They the best, man. Now you got Jersey's over there in North. They cheeseburgers only good, but they ain't messing with them and they sandwiches. They pricey too, but you get the good quality. Start off with the chicken. There's something about that Chicken Shack chicken that just is life. For all you people who don't eat skin and take the skin off the chicken and just eat, what's wrong with you? You ain't a chicken lover. I hate when they give me chicken without the roll. I don't do that biscuit. You gotta have a roll with it. I hate when they don't give me the roll. That's the thing about in North, or basically anywhere in Essex County. When they give you the chicken, you get the roll with it. These motherfuckers don't give you nothing. They just give you chicken. They got $4.15 plus tax for a 2-piece with a biscuit or a roll. That's a lot of money, man, but they chicken is good. You gotta eat it slow. And we go with the beer. Yup. When you eat a chicken, some of the bone got to go with it. Extra flavor. That's how you eat a chicken. That's how you eat a chicken. You see that? Nothing left. Nice cold Mountain Dew. Always get it in a can. That bottle shit, never cold. Never cold. Now here we go. This is what it's all about. The Italian cheesesteak with the fried onions. When I say fried onions, don't put no fried onions on my, and it look like it's sauteed onions. I want the fried crisp onions. Okay, that brings the flavor out in the sandwich. All right, don't toast my bread for too long. I feel the softness. I feel the rock. All right, let's open this up. I don't want nothing on my uniform, because I get sloppy. So let me just grab this sweater right here. Damn, it's one of my nice sweaters too. But it is what it is. I'm hungry. course, the foil for the protection. Yeah, man, I never get enough napkins, man. I know I'm gonna need them. Where that bag go? Gotta start getting extra napkins, man. There it is. Oh my God. Look at the steam. For all you who can't eat Italian cheesesteaks no more, and you moved out of the New Jersey, and they ain't got it where you at, too bad. Now that's what I mean by fried onion. I want brown and crisp. Italian cheesesteak. Oh my Lord. Not yet. Not yet. They're the best. I gotta give it to them. Nobody, not even, nah. Yeah, I'm gonna say them. Cause Nico's fell off on South Orange. They used to be good. Nico's fell off. They put them big ass steak fries on your Italian cheese burger steak, and then they do some jujitsu slice and ketchup, and then mash it, and then when you go home, and it's not right. This is quality New York fried chicken. Quality. I love it. I love when it's hot. When it's hot, that steam brings the sandwich together, man. Look at the perfectionist of the steak. Look at that. The magicalness. Look at the onions. Look at that, bitch. Yeah. You see? Time to open it up now, baby. When you playing video games, this saves your life. This saves your life. Especially when it's cold. Oh. It's called fat man shit, man. I don't know what's wrong with these truck drivers. They act like they got personal problems. Drive a big ass tractor trailer. You're making good money. Fucks be looking dirty as hell. Like they don't care about themselves. This motherfucker look like the Undertaker. Just don't take care of themselves. Look at all that meat. That meat with the fries, with the onions. Made his own personal steak fry. Yes. I'm in Elizabeth, but I'm on my lunch break from New York. Feels like I'm home. I'm not. I gotta take this truck all the way down South Jersey and hop on the train back down north. Penn Station, where it smells like ass. It smells like ass in Penn Station. I guess that wherever's that popcorn, cheese, wherever it's coming from is strong. And of course, you got everybody down there begging you for change, which, you know, I look out for some people, but damn, man, come on now. There are a lot of young people down there that's homeless, man. You know, I'm blessed every day. And you already know, if you know me, I'll take my shirt off and give it to you. I was there for a lot of people, friends, family. You already know how I come, you know, I got a good heart, man. Don't cross me though. It's a different story after that. You know. But yeah, it smells like ass down there, and it's crazy. Then as soon as you get outside, there's people coming up to you. You need a ride, man? I normally have somebody pick me up. Or when somebody busy, like, yeah, I need a ride. But them taxi cabs be charging too much money down there at Penn Station. $20 from Penn Station to East Orange. You ain't even gotta take me to my crib. Just drop me off on Central Avenue, man. Somewhere in the middle. $20. That's too much money. When this nigga with the raggedy car offered me, you know, I'll take you there for, you know, $8, $10. All right, you cool. Or Uber. Of course, on Uber. Sometimes I look out for the brothers. You know, you making money? Okay. Take me here. I'll pay you. Put some money in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? Just don't try to drive off nowhere thinking I got a whole bunch of money. I'll choke the shit out your ass while you driving. I'm in the back seat. More dangerous for you, even if you got a gun. Like on Will Smith from Enemy of the State, move that shit out the way. Larry! Hey, Larry! See it? Your name ain't Larry. Fucking with you. Fucking with people sometimes. It's part of having fun, man, while you at a job. You know? Especially in New York, I'm fucking with a lot of people out there. It's trying to defeat me, but we will not be defeated. I'm gonna go ahead and go get another one. Oh. This would be good after sex. After you finish busting her ass. I don't know about what it is, but when I'm done fucking, I get hungry. I get dehydrated too. Like, damn.